प्रधानमंत्री जी के लिए, सबके लिए बंगाल एक बहुत बड़ी जीत होगी आगे आने वाले समय में। उन दोनों के नेतृत्व में हम बंगाल में सरकार बनाएंगे और नितिन जी 45 साल के सिर्फ उम्र के, लेकिन भास्टली एक्सपीरियंस है।
Appointed as BJP's president at party headquarters, their images on your screens at this point in time. This is the formal appointment of Nitin Nabin as the BJP party president. These are images on your screen at this point in time. Earlier today, the Prime Minister congratulated Nitin Nabin on taking charge. Interestingly, spoke about the fact that Nabin was his boss in party matters. These are images where he is now being felt stated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Rajnath Singh, Home Minister Amit Shah. Also in these images, as you can see, he has been welcomed in the BJP party headquarters as the new president of the Bharatiya Janata Party. This is in fact the BJP announcing Nitin Nabin as the new national president. This has, in fact, it's a ceremony that took place earlier today, and the Prime Minister at this point in time, along with the Home Minister Rajnath Singh, are greeting Nitin Nabin. Take a look at these images on your screens, which are live at this point in time of the Prime Minister welcoming Nitin Nabin. These are images of Nitin Nabin. As you can see in these images, a child there. We'll also try and get a word for more on that, but this is the youngest president of the Bharatiya Janata Party. These are visuals live on your screens at this point in time. The children interacting with the Prime Minister, and I would think that they are in fact children of the newly appointed BJP national president on your screens at this point in time, though we'll wait for a confirmation on that. But these are images of Nitin Nabin, the new BJP national president, with his family members along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. There he is, in fact, carrying his child as well on your screens at this point in time. It's in fact a very young child, Nitin Nabin himself, the youngest president of the Bharatiya Janata Party. I'm going to go across to Maria for more details on that. Maria, these images are now of the family members, as we see. A very young child, Nitin Nabin himself, the youngest president of the Bharatiya Janata Party, along with the family. What a moment, and every indication really, isn't it, as far as the signaling from the Saffron clan is concerned, that this is the time for the new generation really to come to the fore, isn't it?
Yes, as the Prime Minister said, that he is a millennial who will speak directly to the generation, the next generation, or Gen Z. So that is the message that is coming in. If you look at those visuals that are coming in from the 5th floor of the BJP headquarters, this is the party president's room or office, where he is interacting with with Nitin Nabin's family, his son, his daughter, the other members of the family. All of them are present. But the message certainly is that there has been a total transition which has happened. Prime Minister Modi, during the course of his speech, made several important points. Of course, he took pot shots at the Congress party, saying that the Congress has much to learn in terms of where it has failed, what it needs to do in order to resurrect itself. But at the same time, he said that there are challenges, particularly with regards to the infiltrators, and also a phrase that he used, which he has often used in the past, which is of urban Naxals. Those who criticize the government for the sake of it, who are anti-nationals, as is being projected by the BJP. But this entire transition which has happened, high on messaging, but at the same time, the transition is of a young party which was founded only in 1980 by Atal Bihari Vajpayee, bringing in the 4th generation leadership, preparing itself for what India will be. As the Prime Minister said, it will be about Viksit Bharat, how India will be in 2047. Nitin Nabin's, candidature and election, and now as his leadership, certainly signals that next generation, senior leaders of the party all present when that transition has happened. Nitin Nabin has huge shoes to fill in. These are stalwarts of the party who have led the BJP for several years. And now it is Nitin Nabin's era which has formally begun in the BJP.
Yeah, this of course is also not going to be an easy part, a tough road rather ahead for the new national president of the party. Of course, the upcoming state assembly elections would be like really his biggest challenge, isn't it, in days and weeks to come?
Not really. I won't see it
No?
that way
Okay.
because, Sneha, because the party certainly understands that it's a long road and the elections in those states are going to be held in just 2 months. So they realize that, to expect that the new party president will be delivering all these results may not be a fair one. But it certainly means that the new party president has to reach out to Gen Z. The message here is that the BJP is conscious of the fact that the party has to speak the language of the next generation, and only a millennial as the party president can reach out to them. If you look at the pure demographic or the presence of those who are in the age group of under 25, the first-time voters, they are roughly around 370 to 371 million in a population of 4 billion that we are. That is the reason why this reach out becomes conscious and important. Nitin Nabeen himself saying that he, of course, respects the work that has been done by his predecessors, but also spoke about the fact that only in a party such as the BJP, a Karyakarta in a state like Bihar can go on to become the party chief. So giving hope to thousands and lakhs and crores of BJP Karyakartas and workers that next can be them, that another generation can be coming from another part of the country. Somebody who may not be getting the spotlight at present, but the party leadership has identified the next generation, is the message that is coming in.
The other
What
challenge, and I would really want you, Maria, to talk to us a little about the fact that there would be expectations from the senior leadership of the party and aspirations of the younger members, isn't it? And that's the correct balance, the right balance that the new president will have to strike, isn't it?
Yes, that's right. To ensure that the experience meets those who are going to be given the charge of the organization. So a sense that one of the senior RSS functionaries gave to me a few weeks ago was, Neha, that the senior leaders will be governing the government, will be leading the government at the center and in multiple states, and the younger people will be leading the organization and the BJP. So in the next few weeks, we'll be seeing a complete overhaul of the organization. The various cells of the BJP, be it the SC, ST, OBC Morcha, the foreign policy cell and multiple cells will be seeing new heads. All of them will be young, perhaps in the late 40s and early 50s. So the BJP has ushered in a new generation which will be about more relatability. That when the Prime Minister also said that from now onwards, as far as the party is concerned, Nitin Nabeen is my boss and I am the Karyakarta. That is what the positioning of the leader really means here for the party, which actually has been founded on strong ideological pillars. The pillars certainly will be about ensuring the man who has got the position or the role of the BJP president actually will be able to, exercise his authority as well in the same role.
Would be a lot of scanner, a lot of media scrutiny in that sense. As far as Nitin Nabeen is concerned, at the end of the day, this is a decision that hadn't been taken in so many years, Maria. The youngest leader of the party, isn't it? The youngest party president of the Saffron Party.
Yes, as old as the political party itself.
Yes.
So the BJP was founded by Atal Bihari Vajpayee in April of 1980. Nitin Nabeen, as per his date of birth, was born in June of 1980. So certainly he is younger than the political party itself. The emphasis will be on reaching out to those pockets where the BJP has not made much inroads.
Right,
But look
Maria.
at the transition which has happened. The new Modi Shah era, which began in 2014 May. Home Minister Amit Shah became the party president in December
Maria,
of
in fact, we'll
2014.
continue to talk about that because that certainly is a conversation that will continue. A big day really for Nitin Nabeen as he takes over as the youngest party president today. I'm going to thank Maria for those inputs.